Hi, today we are in Westbury at a flooded house.
This is 11903 Dunlap Street in Houston, Texas.
And we want to give you a quick tour. So, check this out. It's a 3-bedroom. It's already gutted. Nice kitchen. Could be nice. Fireplace. And bathroom, office, formal dining, and this is the pool area. So this one will be listed for 150,000. So here's another bedroom, and this is the master. Pretty good closet space behind there, and this is the master bathroom. So check it out. Give us a call if you want to see it, and see you soon. Bye.
Bye.